YouTube, man, what's good with y'all, man? Hey, I miss y'all too. It's been a while, but been busy, man. Been in work. Been busy, man. Been working. Feel me? But I'm trying to really stay active with y'all, so hopefully I can actually stay. I know I said this shit before, but hopefully I can actually stay active this time, man. Hopefully. Let's pray. I'm trying to, for real. I'm telling y'all I'm trying to. But this vlog about to be crazy. I'm about to go to my first car meet. Feel me? Like, I ain't never been to a car meet, but finna go to a car meet and see what this time about, man. As y'all can see, I'm working right now, but feel me? Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned throughout this whole vlog, cause it's about to be a banger, no cap. Yo, Chad, this police been riding me, pause, for at least like 3 miles, bro. Like, look at him, bro. He's really, I'm literally at my Addy now. I'm speed limit. What? You not getting me? I hate Kentucky, gang. Bruh. I'm literally about to pull in now. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? I'm right here now. What you gonna do? Look at him. Oh my God. Yo, what it do, chat? We finna go get this baby clean before the meet. Feel me? As y'all can see, she ain't that dirty. I had to wash yesterday, but still a little dust and shit, which I probably just need to put like a water or something on it. Look, y'all peep this? Look. Yeah, definitely gotta get that baby. Oh yeah, look. Yeah. Let's go get her clean right quick. What it do, chat, man? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all see this? If I bust my ass, I'm suing them, bro. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. But y'all look. It's a little too dusty, so I'm about to just put water on her. Y'all see? I'm about to just put water on her and take the dust out. This is what I'm talking about. If I bust my ass, I'm suing them. But yeah, I'm about to put water on her and see how she look after, man. Yeah, Chad, she was definitely dusty as hell. Look at all this shit. Yeah, she was definitely dusty as hell. We finna get her together though. I ain't gonna lie. She was definitely dusty as hell. Yeah, y'all see all that? Uh-huh. She needed it. Alright, chat, so here we go. Y'all let me know down in the comments. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't got time to be wiping this down. It's too cold outside. But y'all let me know down in the comments how clean this is though. If I should have put soap in it, or you feel me, this valley right here. Y'all let me know down in the comments, man. Cause I think I did get my baby together though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. What it do, chat? Hey, we finna head to the car meet now. It's like 9:21. Yeah, it's 9:29, so we finna head to the car meet now. I was just reading on the group, they was like, it's police going to show up, so don't be on some scary shit, blah, blah. Boy, I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not even worried about that, you feel me? Like, I ain't doing no bullshit, you feel me? So, we finna head to the car meet right now. Right now, I'm about to go pick up my boy first, and then we finna head to the car meet, man. I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Yo, what it do, chat? First thing first, we gotta stop at the gas station. Even though I got like 105 miles. I don't know if y'all can see that, like 105 miles. I still need to get a little bit more gas. I'm probably put like $50 on this, even though that's not gonna get me nowhere. We finna put a little gas in this or something, man. And then see if that's gonna end the night for us or something. Feel me? But first thing first, we finna get gas and then hit the road, man. Yo, feed these folks. Oh yeah, look at it. What it do, bro? Nasty. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Appreciate that. Well, yeah, y'all about to go to the car meet? Hell yeah. That's what I'm about to hit. Yeah, that bit. Shit that bit. Oh my God. Wow. Nah, I'm about to fill up though. I'm about to.
That's tough.
Caught some motherfuckers. Yeah.
You vlogging?
Yeah.
Word?
Yeah,
What's your YouTube channel?
Euro TV. Finna put a good 50 ball in here. 50 ball in here. Them boys right there. They was fucking with me. Look at him. He about to put his player out. He funny as hell. But finna put a good 50 ball in here. We already had like 100 miles. You know, got Wawa in here, you know. Finna put 50 ball in here, hit the road, feel me? I'm gonna show y'all how that shit. I'm gonna show y'all how many miles I get though. Okay, let me get in here. I gotta get out of here, cut. For chat, it really gave me the 278. Look at this shot. 278 miles. It said full tank, goddamn. So, full tank. Feel me? 50 ball. I ain't think it was gonna get me to a full tank, but feel me? It's good enough. We up out of here though. Finna go pick up my mans now. Finna go hit that spot. But I did just meet them boys back there. I don't know where they coming from, but they was hyping me up. They talking about something. Ooh, it be hard. Look, they still looking, look. They still looking. But yeah, bro, I'm finna head to my mans right now. Keep out there, man. Man, I'm holding that joint right here. I want to go pick up my boy, feel me? Yo, we right here, we right here. We right here.
Feel me?
We right here.
Everybody in the line.
We right here.
We last in the line and shit.
Lasting on, bruh. We literally just walked past, drove past all these folks.
Got a 5-0 behind us. Calm.
We got the chalk there, y'all. Look at these folks.
They about to block it off right here.
Man, we got BB with it. They already making this joint hot. I feel like they just gonna start doing that shit here, like,
nah, they gonna
and then leave. Damn, my nigga. Oh, did I hear some? Yeah. I see a whole lot of Jeeps out here though. I ain't gonna lie. Yo, what Chrysler you was talking about? Oh, that one over there? Nah, I see a couple things. Oh, they triple me. Nah, they shit fake. Wow. Where it is, not yet. They crazy out there. part 2. Let's see what he talking about. Let's see what he talking about. That's just flying though. That's just flying though. Oh. 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 I thought he was about to come back around this way. That nigga shit on wire, look. It's on a wire, bro. Oh, this shit is on wire. He gon' bullshit. This shit on wire. My eye, goddamn. This shit crazy. So chat, the boys ended up pulling up. Everybody got up through. We ended up here in a new location. We just waiting till everybody come here and shit. But they got, hey, I ain't gonna lie, they cleared that shit so fast. Hey, I'm doing this shit for y'all. Look at this shit, cuz. Somebody really hit my shit, bro. I don't know if y'all can see that shit. Y'all see this shit? Somebody really tapped my shit, like, pause though. Somebody really scraped my shit. Y'all see? I ain't gonna lie, I was fake Saudi, but shit, that's why you gotta get that shit away from me. I'm Saudi here. Y'all see this shit? Somebody done got me, cuz. Nah, that's cause, like, I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna fake stop and shit, but I couldn't even do it because the boys was right behind me. What? Yeah, on bro, you seen that shit? This shit pushed back. Oh, that shit broke. I'm tripping? Oh, no. Oh, that shit crazy. So you the reason why that shit damn near closed? Cause the boys followed you. And you brought him to the pit.
No, they was already there.
The boys was already there?
Yeah.
And then you ain't had no place, so they just chase you?
Yeah.
Nah, that's fried, bro. That's fried, gang. Yeah, I see CJ over there. That's fried. What you gonna swing your shit?
Oh, my shot is fuck. That was the only orange.
And you got an orange joint? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro.
Cause them niggas chased me all the way to the highway, cuz.
You went to the highway?
I had to.
They got in they wouldn't chase you though. I'm saying like in the highway, they can't chase you.
Oh yeah, no, they ended it as soon as I hit the highway.
Yeah, y'all, they can't chase you in the highway anyway.
Niggas smack my shit, gang.
But niggas smack my shit.
No, my shit worse.
Niggas smack my shit, bro. Word. Niggas smack my shit right there.
Look at the rate.
Oh. Where? This? Yeah. Oh, I do see that shit. What the fuck? That's, but you can't really tell though. I ain't gonna lie, you really can't tell.
Shit dented in.
It's dented, but my shit ain't that bad though. I'm about to show you. Come and look at my shit. Nah, chat. They really hitting cars at this motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Folks about to do it right in the middle of this shit, right here. folks about to do that shit right in the middle of this shit. Nah, that's wild, cuz. Can't wait to see this one. Boys again, bro. What the fuck? Hey, he leaving. He leaving. He leaving. He leaving. He just left. Oh no, he right there. He right there. Yo. He right there. The boy's right there. Boy. Hey, keep shutting these bitch down. Look at the boys. He right there. Look at him. Oh my God. They finna round this motherfucker up, bro. Oh my, yeah, that is so crazy shit. It can't, I ain't gonna lie. Nigga, fuck the police, look. I think they did pull somebody over. Nah. They finna do that shit right there in the intersection, but they said the police over there and shit, so they don't even know. Jeez.
Wait for it. Here it comes. Almost there.
Don't even call the boys on the cut.
They talking about them young niggas. Oh my mama, I ain't never seen an old nigga with so much anger. What you talking
Is it them young?
Them young niggas. What shit perfect?
Who the fuck do you niggas think they is? At my car, you cold, nigga? You cold? Look at these niggas think, what's up with y'all niggas getting a little heater or something? What y'all got going on? What y'all? Nah. You better use that phone. gave up. He gave up. Damn.
I mean, it ain't really deep to stop on the dime.
Oh, we almost.
License plate there.
Oh, nigga, you tripping, shit, bro. Oh, he tripping. Oh, my mama, he tripping. Yo, he tripping, gang. Nah, bro, what the? Nah. I gotta move, man. Oh, we about to hit this shit. Oh, he almost hit his shit, gang. He almost wrecked this shit, gang. Yo, what the fuck? Oh, okay, that shit doing something. Alright. Oh, he about to hit that motherfucker. Oh, don't come over here. Stay over there. What? Yeah, that was that. Shit ain't gonna do nothing. Oh, that shit, this nigga climbing part 2, 3, 4. Let me back up. I'm just making some shit. Yeah, boy. Oh shit! I thought that nigga was about to stop. Shit! All right. Oh. Let me hold on to my phone tight right quick. Yeah. Shit. Ah, shit. Nah, bro, this nigga doing this shit not normal. Fuck we doing, man? Big hawk in this bitch. Hey man, I'm back. Yo, it's currently 2:46. It's 2:46 in the morning. I'm just now going home, man. I hope y'all have fun watching this vlog, cause it's a banger. I definitely, for my first time going to a car meet or whatever, or just a takeover or whatever, that shit was wild, bro. Somebody smacked my car. Like I ain't gonna lie, that part blew me. That's the only part that blew me, but everything else was smooth. But motherfuckers got arrested, motherfuckers running from police and shit. It's like, that's crazy, bro. That shit, it was valid though. It was valid for sure. I hope y'all have fun watching this, man. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I promise y'all, I'm gonna try to stay active more on this. So y'all just work with me, man. I'm out.